Saint Roch or Saint Roch is invoked against epidemics, knee problems, plague and skin diseases. He is the patron saint of the sick, surgeons, bachelors, dogs and falsely accused people. He was born with an unusual deep red mark on his chest in the shape of a cross, a sign that the Blessed Virgin Mary had heard and answered his mother's prayers for her barrenness to be healed. His parents died when he was 20, after which he gave his inheritance to the poor and began a new life as a poor pilgrim, even if he was designated governor by his father. When he came upon a town badly struck by the Black Plague which was wreaking havoc across Europe, he decided to stay there to care for the sick, at great risk to himself. Instead of contracting the contagious disease, Saint Roch cured many people, simply by praying and making the sign of the cross over them. He continued his charitable work until the disease was halted from spreading further in the village, after which he continued on his pilgrimage. His miraculous healing power evidenced itself in the same manner in every plague-infested town that he passed through on his way to Rome, and in Rome itself. When his travels brought him to the town of Piacenza, he discovered that he was no longer spared from the deadly disease, having finally contracted it in the leg. Instead of burdening anyone with his sickness, he commended himself to God and awaited his death in a remote and abandoned forest hut. A dog found and befriended him, bringing him food daily and licking his wounds. A spring also arose nearby to provide Saint Roch with fresh water. Slowly, Saint Roch's health was restored and he received divine inspiration that he should return to Montpellier. However, he was falsely accused as a spy and imprisoned. When he died, a tablet appeared on the wall on which an angelic hand wrote, in golden letters, the name of Roch, and a prediction that all who would invoke his intercession would be delivered from the plague.
San Roque, ipanalangin mo kami. Tulungan mo kami dumalangin na magkaroon ng kapayapaan. Iligtas mo kami sa takot at pangamba. Ilayo mo kami sa sakit at karamdaman. Mahal na Patron, San Roque, ipanalangin mo kami. Mahal na Patron, San Roque, ipanalangin mo kami. Iligtas mo ang aming pananim at alagang hayop sa sakit at peste. Higit sa lahat, idanangin mo kami na maligtas sa salot ng kasalanan. Mahal na Patrong San Roque, Mahal na patron San Roque, ipanalangin mo kami. Mahal na patron San Roque, ipanalangin mo kami. Mahal na patron San Roque, ipanalangin mo kami. Ipanalangin mo kami. Ipanalangin mo kami.
Kayong mga nagdadala ng sakit ng katawan at ng kaluluwa. Halika kayo'y lumapit sa Kanya. Kay San Roque, ang tagapagligtas ng bawat karamdaman. San Jose, o San Jose, mga wiking aming sa iyong kayong mga nagdadala ng sakit ng katawan at ng kaluluwa. Halika kayo'y lumapit sa Kanya. Kay San Roque,
Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe. See you on the next video.